2020 Toyota Fortuner facelift, 2020 Toyota Fortuner Philippines, new Toyota Fortuner 2020, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Toyota brand. The title of the article we take is 2020 Toyota Fortuner facelift, 2020 Toyota Fortuner Philippines, new Toyota Fortuner 2020, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2020 Toyota Fortuner facelift, 2020 Toyota Fortuner Philippines, new Toyota Fortuner 2020, new cars by. In the function that you remember the Toyota 4Runner from the 1980s, at that time you will completely get the Fortuner. For any one of you developed well before the technique of the cellular phone, the Fortuner wagon is determined by an indistinguishable point from the Hilux you'd place something besides for its curl spring season rear revocation. The 2020 Toyota Fortuner is available in a few reviews, all with a similar motor and several wheel drive, 4WD, established up. What the number of seats, you inquire? 7, every little thing regarded. The Toyota Fortuner is a standard dimension hybrid SUV which has been accessible for more than 10 years. This will depend on the Toyota Hilux pickup truck. 2020 Toyota Fortuner engine. The Fortuner remains spurred by the 2.8-liter 4-holding chamber turbo diesel imparted to the Hilux Ute. Energy and torque results in are 130 kilowatts and 450 Nm separately, 420 Nm for the guide, with gasoline make use of evaluated at 7.8 L/100 km with the 6-speed handbook and 8.6 L/100 km when fixed with the 6-speed auto. Then, the finest towing restrict is similarly unaltered at 3,000 kg for the guide and 2,800 kg for the programmed. Toyota states the Fortuner is the turbo diesel another choice to the relative size essential oil just Kluger and provides an average choice for the individuals who make an effort to state a Land Cruiser. Despite the cut, the base model becomes 17 composite wheels, as exhibited as comes after, instead of the prior model Steely's. Elevate stopping devices have moreover been included, supplementing the results included again see the camera. 2020 Toyota Fortuner has incorporated an additional view and seams touchscreen framework, fusing satellite route, to the 2.8-liter turbo diesel handle GXL, which comes stock with a 6-speed manual gearbox. Additionally on the common equipment checklist are, LED tail lighting fixtures, ventilating, the substance on the inside, a chilled focus reassures receptacle, the above-mentioned 7-touchscreen combined press framework with a GPS system-based route platform and Bluetooth, and several seats. 2020 Toyota Fortuner redesign. Regarding picking one of the three, we toned in the direction of the auto-ready GXL. They have every single one of the basics with a couple of respectable relationships, and incredibly just goes by up a key opportunity for a cushioned focus assist compartment cover relating to solace. In terms of colors, the Fortuner comes in darker, white, blue, more dark, red, dim, and silver. The outside the housing program of present-day 4x4 wagons goes the collection from the straight-bat Isuzu MU-X fully right through to the major and unnatural Mitsubishi Pajero Sport. The Fortuner has located a place close to all those two extreme conditions. It's certainly not an issue that you'd skip inside an auto and, however, it's not quite as screening as something like the Pajero Sport. Inside, it numbers out how you can hide its organization inception's wonderful around every single one of the three testimonials. Whatever the case, there are continue to some hard plastics inside of seeing, including around the entryway credit cards and focus ease and comfort receptacle, which can be chafing must you rest your elbow thereon for a longer time outings. 2020 Toyota Fortuner release date and price. At the base of the benefits go, the 2020 Toyota Fortuner GX costs $42,590 in 6-speed handbook visual appeal or $44,590 with a 6-speed auto. That is a solid $5,400 cut in price, and it has been considerably enhanced for 2020, with 17 mixture corners as an alternative to metal wheels, and a layout of backstopping sensors to supplement the converting around the camera. Thanks.